Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And I'd like to ask Ms. Queen Quick if she would come up here with me. How you doing? Good. Do you have anybody else with you? Or?
She ain't made it.
She ain't made it again?
From Goose Creek.
Okay, good.
Swimming up the creek.
She's swimming up the creek?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. I feel quite comfortable up here talking with the Gullah and the Geechee part of it because I'm originally from Macedonia. And anytime I go, especially out west or somewhere, they swear I'm Gullah or I'm Geechee. But I'll tell you, I haven't quite mastered that yet, but I'm kind of on the way.
We want can on a little bit more, young.
Just a little bit more.
Just a little bit more. Okay.
When I get away from home and I get out there, it's not hard for me to entertain them. They just like for me to talk about, say water or, it just seems like that, you know how that goes. That's right.
Okay.
You know, the first part of it, my time spent on Ediston Island, I've appreciated the Gullah culture over there, and I've enjoyed that.
And can't plenty we push a thing for now from home, and
That, you got it. Yeah, that's exactly right. You probably got to give me a dictionary a couple times. Okay, whereas throughout the history of Berkeley County, including during the establishment of the county, Africans have offered incredible skills, sets, knowledge, and whereas some of these Africans were those previously enslaved on the numerous Carolina gold, rice, and indigo plantations in the region. And whereas the descendants of these Africans who still reside here are now called Gullah Geechee. And whereas a significant group of these Gullah Geechee people established family compounds, built spiritual institutions in the area where Emancipation Day celebrations still take place at the churches on January 1st, and still carry on the hunting traditions in the area. And whereas Queen Quit, who became the first Gullah Geechee in the world to speak before the United Nations on behalf of Gullah Geechees, has previously been a keynote presenter in Mont's Corner at an Emancipation Day celebration. And whereas Queen Quit and Kwame Shah of all Mobile Productions co-founded the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festivals to continue to celebrate the freedom stories of the Gullah Geechees. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival annually moves through various parts of the Gullah Geechee Nation and the African diaspora each year to educate the world about and celebrate the continuation of Gullah Geechee traditions, culminates with the Gullah Nation Appreciation Week, and whereas a series of activities took place throughout Berkeley County during the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week from July 25th, 2015 through August 2nd, 2015 to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation and honor the lives of the Emmanuel Nine. Now therefore be it resolved by Berkeley County Council in a meeting duly assembled that council hereby recognizes the importance of the Gullah Geechee Nation Week in Berkeley County. Done this day of August 2015, signed Wayne W. Bill Peter, III, Chairman, Berkeley County Council. If everybody would join me in a round of applause. Yes, ma'am, please do.
Good evening, everybody. So glad for being here in Berkeley County one more again. It's been a deep while and things like that. I thought y'all been away for 150 more years for inviting me back for a celebration. So glad that I did back here, and it's truly a freedom celebration, even more so than Emancipation Proclamation Day for me, because this year day for 100 Children Honor Week. And it's been a blessing for walking here this evening and see the ancestors upon the wall. That been the first thing I see. And I gone right to them and just felt the energy right here with me this evening. And then to be here while you honor these your families, who have been to hold things together even after that time. It's a blessing to be here this evening. So we ain't been dry long so that y'all ain't bright me up here in July. Y'all did them in August. It's a blessing. And so thank you to all 100 children. And for the others who speak like him half the time, I can speak like you too. All right? I thank y'all, and next year we'll be right back here with Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Berkeley County. They already told me they're going to be the first ones to have me up here next year. And I already have literature because we'll have our festival in Charleston next year again, the first weekend in August. And so I thank everyone, and definitely thank you, Berkeley County, for embracing me and for continuing to tell our story of the Gullah Geechee. Thank you, thank you. I want you to come on and go to a place where we take